Welcome back to the American Family Survival Network. I'm your host, Jeffrey Snipes. These are hopefully going to be some helpful videos for those of us dealing with the ramifications of Obamacare. So the first thing that many people out there want to know is if you don't have health insurance, how much you'll pay. This comes from healthcare.gov, and if you can afford health insurance but choose not to buy it, you must pay a fee called the individual shared responsibility payment. The fee is sometimes called the penalty, fine, or individual mandate. You owe the fee for any month you, your spouse, or your tax dependents don't have qualifying health coverage. The glossary for qualifying health coverage, sometimes called minimal essential coverage. See all insurance types that qualify. So if you go to the websites, it'll go into more detail on that. You pay the fee when you file your federal tax return for the year you don't have coverage. In some cases, you may qualify for a health coverage exemption from the requirement to have insurance. If you qualify, you won't have to pay the fee. And you can go to the website and learn about health coverage exemptions. Also, if you want to learn more about the individual shared responsibility payment from the Internal Revenue Service, you can go to irs.gov, affordable-care-act/the-individual-shared-responsibility-payment-and-overview. The fee for not having health insurance in 2016. The fee is calculated two different ways. As a percentage of your household income and person, you'll pay whichever is higher. The fee rises with inflation in future years. Final 2017 amounts will be published when available. So percentage of income, 2.5% of household income. The maximum total yearly premium for the national average price of a bronze plan sold through the marketplace. Per person is $695 per adult, or $347.50 per child under 18, and the maximum of $2,085. Paying the fee. Using the percentage method, only the part of your household income that's above the yearly tax filing threshold, which is $10,150 for individuals, or $20,300 for couples filing jointly in 2014. The most recent year available is counted. Using the per person method, you pay only for people in your household who don't have insurance coverage. If you have coverage for part of the year, the fee is 1/12 of the annual amount for each month you or your tax dependents don't have coverage. If you're uncovered only 1 or 2 months, you don't have to pay the fee at all. Learn about the short gap exemption by going to the website and learn more about that. You pay the fee when you file your federal tax return for the year you don't have coverage. The fee in previous years, the fee for not having coverage in 2015, the penalty for 2015 is the higher of these. 2% of household income, maximum total yearly premium for the national average price of a bronze plan sold through the marketplace, or $325 per adult, $162.50 per child under 18. The maximum is $975. The fee for not having health coverage in 2014. The penalty for 2014 is the higher of these, either 1% of household income, maximum total yearly premium for the national average price of a bronze plan sold through the marketplace, or $95 per adult, $47.50 per child under 18, or a maximum of $285. For more answers, the penalty for not having health insurance, if you're unemployed, you have to pay the fee. What happens if I don't pay the fee? The IRS will hold back the amount of the fee from any future tax refunds. There are no liens, levies, or criminal penalties for failing to pay the fee. Okay, so I hope that answers some questions. And folks, please remember to go to the AmericanFamilySurvivalStore.com for all your family's emergency and survival needs. And remember, protect and safeguard your family. Fear not, and God bless. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.